Welcome to the Week in Review. This is Fed Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading. And we're reviewing the week of October 21st to October 25th of 2024. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's Nvidia making and surging to new all-time record highs and then retracing. But first, looking at the rest of the markets, starting out with the Forex symbols, the Canadian dollar retracing to multi-year lows versus the US dollar. Now looking at the indices, the Dow Jones most of the week retraced and sold lower, as NASDAQ pretty much remaining unchanged. Now looking at the commodities, natural gas gets a big surge, 21%. And as we shift over to the stock, Netflix off of its highs, while JP Morgan trading closer to its upper range as well. Now lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin also trading in its upper range and teasing us, looking like it was going to take off. Now looking at the upcoming major economic events of this week. So we got lots of corporate earnings. So we start out the week on Monday, October 28th. First for the United States, we have corporate earnings for McDonald's. Then that's followed on Tuesday, October 29th. First from the United States, we have CB consumer confidence number and a JOLTS job opening number as well. Corporate earnings for AMD, huge chip maker, Amgen, which is a biotech company, Caterpillar, Pfizer, and Google. Now looking on Wednesday, October 30th, from Australia, we have a core price index CPI number coming out. And from the European Union, German preliminary CPI number coming out. And also from Great Britain that same day, we have an annual budget released that day. And from the United States, quarterly gross domestic product, GDP number coming out. Now looking at corporate earnings for that day, we have Coinbase, Starbucks, Microsoft, and Meta. Now looking on Thursday, October 31st from Japan, we have the Bank of Japan will have a policy rate, and from Canada, a gross domestic product GDP number coming out, and from the United States, a core PCE price index number coming out, and also from the United States, a quarterly employment cost index. Now in addition to that, we have corporate earnings for Apple, Amazon, MasterCard, Intel, and lastly Meta Life for that same day. Now lastly, looking at Friday, November 1st, we have from the United States non-farm payroll for the jobs created in October and an ISM manufacturing PMI number coming out, and most importantly, corporate earnings for the big oil companies, which includes ExxonMobil and Chevron. So we got a week coming ahead that should add some turmoil right before the next week, which is elections coming out from the United States. That's it on the Week in Review. We'll see you here next week, everybody. Have a good weekend.